Features experience. 5.1 channel real surround sound. Give movies the soundtrack they deserve with 5.1 channels of real surround sound. Rear speakers and an external subwoofer work with a 3-channel soundbar to deliver dynamic, cinematic sound. 400-watt total power output. A total power output of 400 watt helps bring every movie scene to life. With its powerful built-in subwoofer, rich bass like never before. Dolby R digital technology enjoy dramatic, high-quality surround sound from 5.1x soundbar, separate audio channels with Dolby R digital. Your favorite movies, music, and games with clarity and precision. You can easily connect your devices wirelessly using Bluetooth technology. Choose the perfect setting a button for every sound. Choose the mode that's right for whatever you're watching or listening to, including auto, standard, cinema, and music. You can also select night and voice modes and use subwoofer control to fine-tune your viewing experience. Transforming it into a cinematic audio hub. Upgrade your home, entertainment system, and elevate your audio experience with the Sony HT S20r soundbar. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.